Hey, everybody, this is Dr. Jacob Allen, Professor almost in real life from Long Island, New York, where the weather is okay. It's going to snow tomorrow again, right?
The snow is melting, which is a good thing.
Oh,
I think we're getting more snow tomorrow.
it's hot. It's good. It's
Well,
very nice.
maybe on Saturday.
Oh,
I
the
think.
snow is coming Saturday and Sunday.
Saturday. Yeah.
It's very good. At least we had a normal winter so far
A little colder than last winter.
than the last few years, but compared to 2000, it's something like this.
Yeah,
We're going back to the normal thing.
yeah. I like the global warming winter.
Yeah.
Well, in statistics in in January, we were supposed to get 11 inches of snow. We got only 3 inches of snow.
I don't
And
think the cabinet guy is angry when he puts up GUR.
Because of the
I think that's his investment, right?
Oh.
Something went sour probably. What
Is
is
that
it? Is it
stock
warm?
symbol? Is that a stock symbol?
Cabinet guy is Vermont, but GUR is stock.
Yeah.
He's from Vermont.
Ah.
I need him to make a cabinet for me in the bathroom. The medicine cabinet broke.
Is a woodworker?
I don't know how it broke. The handle broke off. It snapped off. So I got to do another one custom made. That'll fit.
But the cabinet guy is he a woodworker?
Yeah, I think he is. He's actually a cabinet maker. Like
Oh,
you can make cabinets, right, Omar?
of course. I love that.
Yeah. And you ought to talk to cabinet guys sometime. Maybe you can
Yeah.
use an extra hand,
Do some woodworking project.
Yeah. Hymns. The cabinet guy likes hymns. I like hers, but he likes hymns.
I don't know what is that.
I much prefer hers,
So it looks like GRRR is like a stock symbol or something.
Sure.
I don't know.
No,
Yeah.
it's Vermont. It's the weather in Vermont.
No, that's not what he meant.
No.
It's a stock symbol.
Ah, okay.
It's up 25%, he said.
That's the hymns. That's up 25%.
Um,
Hymns and hers. Health.
no, he said laughing out loud, GUR is up 25%.
Oh, okay.
Yes, GUR is Gorilla Technology
Gorilla
Group.
Technology Group. Same thing as well. Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
So he's the Monday quarterback. Sometimes we're all the Monday quarterback, like after the stock.
Today
Yeah.
was a good day for all my stocks except for a few. I sold a little Meta and I bought a little Tesla.
Tesla.
I mean, I'm up a lot on the Meta. I figure take a little off.
Why Tesla?
Why what?
Why Tesla?
Why Tesla? Because it bottomed on the chart. If you look at the chart, it looks like it bottomed right at about 735, 330.
Is that like 100 moving average?
What was the bottom? 335, I think. Recently.
Yeah, I think it's 100 moving average, isn't it?
It might have been. I liked the chart, so I bought it at 335 level, and then I kept adding.
Yeah, it's 100 moving average, right there.
I think Tesla's got much more to run. Could be 100 points up from here.
Oh,
They got a lot going for them with the Robo and full self-driving and Optimus.
but they're starting to have a lot of competition too.
Are you going to buy an Optimus robot, Omar?
Nah,
Nah.
Tesla is not my thing. No,
20 grand, you can own one.
we are traditional. I like to do things the old way.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Optimus can do anything.
I know.
Like what?
Anything you want. Cook,
Cooking.
whatever you need. Who knows what else in the future, right?
So you're gonna have a maid at the house.
Yeah. How about this one? Do you think this one is any good? I'm going to put it up here. That's R2D2.
Yeah, I bought this one. I
Which
bought it at 17, sold it at 19. 17's change, and I sold it at
which
19.
one are you talking about?
So
SCRB. I think it's 23 now, if I'm not mistaken.
you still have it?
Yeah, I bought more.
Sir,
Yeah. R2, they're making little R2D2s that are going to deliver pizza instead of the pizza boy.
So
R2D2,
the question, so Dr. J,
Ah.
the question is, do you tip the robot or not?
I don't think so. I think it's free, the delivery.
it's the delivery of stuff. Oh,
Yeah, they're gonna. I think they signed with Uber Eats.
yeah. Oh. Well, they deliver through what? Not cars, right? They deliver through
No, it's for self-driving cars.
self-driving cars, not the. Yeah.
You don't need a human. The problem is the robots aren't going to need us soon. That's the problem. We're going to be in the way.
Who is going to pick up the stuff?
I'm worried that we're going to become obsolete and the robots will take over.
I think there was a movie about that.
I'm sure there was. All right, Professor Omar, do your charting thing. Start with SPY.
You think? All right.
You want to talk about the Super Bowl? Did you watch it?
Yeah, so I don't no, I don't watch Super Bowl.
That was a rout. It was boring.
I'm a soccer, soccer game, not a soccer
I
game.
made money. I hit the exacta. I picked Philadelphia and Kansas to play each other.
Who won?
Philadelphia won in a rout. They killed
Oh,
Kansas.
no.
So what's the story here with SPY?
So let's
That's
go
not
to
spy, that's serve.
Dr. J.
What do you got?
SPY. That was serve. That was serve before.
What do you think is served?
It looks like a very obvious cap and handle, but yeah, it looks like a cap and handle about to.
So you think we'll do for a little pullback soon?
I don't know if it breaks out. It should continue, and it looks really like a cap and handle.
Yeah. You also have that W look.
Where
You
Yeah,
have.
this is a cup and handle. It looks like a cup and handle.
It looks
Yeah.
like quite fine. It looks like a couple. It looks like a double bottom in there.
Yeah, you see here, that's the whole thing.
Double bottom as well.
So yeah, around here, of course. But
Yeah. So I think it's got more to run, maybe 30. If the market continues on up, this will too. So will
yeah, exactly that. I think so.
so will Nvidia and so on.
Yeah.
Take a look at SPY. Are we going to break out to all new time highs?
The SPY is just just like predicted. Exactly. I mean, to the dot. Now this looks like a breakout. We're not there, of course, but
We need a follow-up candle tomorrow.
of course, another candle like this, we could get
Well,
like
it seems that it cannot. It hasn't hit 610, right? Has it hit 610?
Maybe not today, but it will.
Yeah.
yeah, it's not yet, but yeah, I think we're gonna go. You see the red line here. Well, my target was around here in April, but I don't think we're gonna get there. In my opinion, I think we're gonna make new all-time high and then head south. That's what I think.
That's been the pattern for the last 3 years. New all-time high, head south, and then another new all-time high.
Yes, I mean, first, what I said last time, we make new all-time high around 6,200, 620, something like that. Then head south to the 200 moving average, or around, I don't know, 5,700, even below. Then we make new all-time high again for.
We really haven't had many 10% corrections.
No, we didn't. Yeah, I think one is due. In my opinion, probably we're gonna get it before.
So you think this will hit 6,200?
That's his little pop, 62.
I have really, from the beginning. This is why actually I called a new all-time high, because if you look at the spurs right here, we made an all-time high here. But if you go to the futures, these are the futures. We did not make an all-time high. This is a continuous futures. And usually, I'm sorry, but I don't know. Usually, always, whenever the cash makes a new all-time high, the future does, and vice versa. They're always in sync. That's why you would expect this one to make a new all-time high. But we're what? We're 60% from there. I'm sorry, 60 points from there. So I don't know. We could just make a new all-time high and then head south. It's not impossible. That you just look at it, day by day and see exactly how it behaves. For me, I see a reversal on hourly or even 15 minutes. The first reversal I see, I get out. So for now, I just let it ride it and let it go.
What do you think is going to happen when the Fed meets next week?
Is it next week?
2 weeks, whatever it is.
No, it's in March.
Oh, I thought it's the end of February, no?
Yeah, it's in March 18. That's why actually I think probably we're gonna get the 10% correction before that, and that could be like a catalyst for a rally to another new all-time high. Maybe they will cut a surprise cut or something like that. That's usually this kind of stuff. Turning points always happen at these dates, either a CPI or.
Still have what I believe to be a positive catalyst next week. And
What is it?
in 2 weeks, NVIDIA's earnings.
I
think they'll blow it out.
It could be the other way around too.
Could be
Because again, I know you are long NVIDIA. To me, it's I think NVIDIA is gonna probably it's not gonna make big advances. I mean, big gains like it did, of course, last year and so on.
I think it takes out the old 351 high.
The
not three, whatever it is, 150.
153. Yeah.
153 high. Yeah, it'll take that out.
It could be. It's not impossible, but to me, you see this dashed red line. To me, that would be the resistance there. That would be a resistance. So 151, we can even it depends where we're going to get there, and I think that's going to reject it down. Probably even before, lot before even this gap. Maybe it's not going. We fill the gap and we head south. To me, this is topping. NVIDIA to me is in a topping process.
All right.
Yeah.
I'll take another 25 points before it tops.
Yeah. I thought it's gonna get to 135.
Yeah, 160 maybe.
Yeah. Maybe 150 probably is gonna get there. Yeah.
All right, so I'm ready to take a little more off the top. I bought back what I had originally, so if it gets up to 160, I'll be happy.
Yeah.
Take a little off.
I think you're gonna buy it cheaper, in my opinion.
I have a lot of stocks that are at all-time highs. My Walmart, my second biggest holding, is an all-time high. Meta, an all-time high. I sold a little Meta, I told you.
Yeah. Wow. Walmart is it's just unbelievable.
I took 8% off, which is nothing, just a little bit.
Walmart is great. I mean, it's just
Walmart, I didn't sell any, but I'm tempted to sell a little.
It's steady up.
Everybody raised their forecast to 120.
Uh-huh.
Is that right? 120? Yeah, I think.
Yeah,
so.
right now it's 105.
I think most of the brokers are at 120. 115, 120.
Yeah.
But there's not much more left on the top, upside, maybe.
Well, when as long as it makes new all-time highs, it the chances are, to the upside, more to the upside than the downside.
I might take 4 or 5% off this. I think I probably will.
Whenever the market is turning down, if you feel it, probably, it would be good to take some off and then buy it later.
I got too much of it. I mean, it's my second biggest holding. I think I have too much.
Yeah.
So I'll take a little off and buy a little more Tesla. That's what I did today. I bought Tesla. Been buying Tesla since Monday.
Yeah.
Kamal and I both bought at 135. Kamal sold at 139, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm still in it.
Yeah, it's
Not 335.
335. Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, I think it's just a pullback. It's gonna make more. But the only thing Tesla I have a problem with, if you look, this is my channel, and we are right there. You see?
Yeah.
I drew this. I don't know when. Okay.
Right. So
I didn't do it now. So it's
near the top end of your channel.
Yeah, and probably we can go back again and touch that channel and then head south.
We go back again. That'll be about over 400, right?
Yeah, over 400. And it depends on the market, of course.
Yeah.
I'm not a fan. I mean, myself, I'm not a fan of Tesla, but
I'm a fan of Tesla because of the robots mainly.
Yeah.
The robots are coming. 20,000 a pop for Optimus.
It could run just because of that, but usually when you have a new technology, you have a big run, and then the other way, like what happened in 2000. Of course, internet, everybody knew that it's going to be the future, but despite that, the market lost 80%.
Right.
Always this kind of stuff always happened. There was a rush, and then they calm down, then some consolidation, right?
Well, the thing with this technology is it's so new, nobody really has a humanoid robot in commercial use. Tesla might be the first. They might be the first.
They are not selling it yet, are they?
No, not yet. By the end of the year.
Well, if you look at the track, like for 5 years it says always next year, next year, next year.
Yeah, that's true.
It happened, of course, but it took a long time, and I don't know even if it's
well, it's still not perfected. Full self-driving is not perfected.
Yeah. Probably still have a lot of years to go.
Probably, but they'll go into production probably next year in full self-driving also. Robo is coming quicker. Robo taxis.
Yeah.
That they'll have in production by the end of the year, quite a few cities. They already have. So I'm happy to be back in Tesla. I was in it once or twice, made money, got out. Now I'm back in. So we'll see what happens.
Yeah, the chart is not bad. The chart is good. Yes, Kamal, I'm sorry.
Wulf, WULF.
You're still in.
I am like
Yeah.
my nose in there. I have a lot of shares. So I'm seeing the 50 gonna cross the 100. Do you have that in there? The 50.
Yeah, this is a 200 moving average. Okay. The red line there is a 200 moving average, and it's struggling to get above that. I think it's gonna follow just a bit quiet again.
I have the 50 and the 100 on my chart, and they look like they're gonna cross.
100 you're talking about?
100 they moving up, and the 50. You have the 50?
They're gonna cross down.
Yeah, they're gonna cross negatively.
Negatively, yeah.
Yeah,
But
the 100.
it's the 50 and the 200 is the problem.
Oh,
50 and
okay.
100 is not a problem.
50 and 100 is not a problem. Okay, that's
50
good.
and 100 is not a
Do you
problem.
see?
Yes, they are
how they're
about
gonna
to cross.
cross?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. The 50 and the 200 is the death cross, not the other one, but still,
It's still bearish. It's not bullish when that happens.
of course, always. But I think this is gonna pop a lot. Again, the same thing. This one, long term, I wouldn't own it. That's me, but I've been wrong many times. So
Yeah, I think this will reach $6.20. At least in the near future.
You got to have Bitcoin break out. But Bitcoin has been churning, redoing the same candle both directions for a week now.
yeah,
Right. Yeah, Bitcoin is stuck. Could you check mstr?
let's okay, mstr.
Okay.
Yeah,
Do you
it's
see
just
that?
like Bitcoin.
Okay. Could you do you see that? Could you click on 1 month? Just 1 month.
I
Yeah.
cannot do that. If I do
Okay,
that,
fine.
it's
That's
gonna
fine.
take me
But do you
down
see
to.
a bull flag? You see this declining slope? If you draw a
Yeah.
flag,
Look. I have those lines there. You see the red lines there?
yeah,
It's like it's a yeah. You could say, I don't know how you call it, pinhead or a bull flag or. Yeah, I
yeah,
mean, if it breaks up. It looks like it is going to break up.
yeah. I
It
think
is
the
going
bull
to break
flag
up.
is complete, and it's gonna
Hmm.
break out.
We
That's
are
what.
right there. We are right at the
Right.
at that triangle there. I didn't draw it. If you draw it like this, we are right there. So
Correct.
it's you don't have to draw it exactly. As long as
No, I
it's
understand.
close, it's fine. So yeah, we are right at the junction. Whether you go down or up. When you look at the market, it looks like it's gonna go up. So
That's what I'm
yeah,
thinking. I think this is gonna break out anytime.
Along
yeah.
with Bitcoin.
Along with what?
Along with Bitcoin.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Of course, I don't think mstr will break out without Bitcoin. I think it's waiting for Bitcoin to do that. It's just following it. That's all.
I always said that playing macro sailors macro strategy is a great way to get leverage on Bitcoin.
Completely, it's a proxy. It's exactly that. It's just what is that? It's like 2 times bull or something.
Probably 2.5.
Yeah. Look, it's exactly the same. And Bitcoin so far it's still waiting for a breakout to the upside as well. The chart is calling for a run up, definitely.
The last
Uh,
last 10 trading days, 7 trading days are dull on Bitcoin.
yeah, so that's a good thing as long as the you remember 90,000 is holding. So far, it is holding. So
Yeah,
89,000 is holding. That's fine.
yeah.
Problem is if 89,000 is break, that would be a problem. That would be a serious problem.
It's a great idea to pick it up at 94,000, sell it at 98,000.
Yeah, in my opinion, we're gonna get 115.
Probably.
That red line there.
Once we break out, I think we'll go higher, go 122.
So yeah, somewhere anywhere between 115 and 125, something like that.
So the question is, what will make it break out? Like any catalyst coming up or anything like that?
I don't know. Maybe Trump will make an announcement. Who knows?
Everything is possible, and sometimes it will break out without any reason. And in that case, you have to be very careful. Means that it's bearish. It's and the thing also, if you see the stock market SPY go up to 2% without any reason, that's a very good reason to be concerned, and you expect it to go down.
Almost such a contrarian. He has a triple header, and triple negation on it.
It's the if then else statement.
Yeah, It's always like that, because you have to, the market always tries to screw the maximum number of people. That's how the market are designed for. You have to, if you don't think that way, you're never gonna get it. It's as simple as that. So if the big guys think the market is gonna go down, you think they will, give you a chance to sell before them? No, I don't think so. So they will take it up to sell everything they have. Then you'll see the market heading south. It's as simple as that. So,
What else did I have listed? I had, let me think, Tesla, Wolf, Bitcoin, NVIDIA we did.
do you own Apple, Dr. J?
Which one?
Apple. Do you own it?
Apple, yes. My fourth biggest holding or third biggest holding, I don't know.
Still a very, very good one.
Yeah. Even though Warren Buffett is selling all his Apple,
Yeah.
I'm still holding.
Maybe it's gonna hover around this line, right? 219.
I like the price action, even without looking at the doggone chart. It's, looking at it day by day, I like it.
Yeah.
I think it'll probably break out along with the market to new highs.
Very likely indeed.
And I still don't. Outside of my iPhone, I still don't own any Apple product. Do you?
The product, iPhone only.
Do you know
My kids have iPads.
they have iPads?
I used to have Samsung Note, and it's just the sound and the charging. I always have a problem with it.
My grandkids have the MacBook computer laptop, and they like that.
It's my wife has the same thing, MacBook, but I don't like. I always PC.
All right. So, anything else that people want? Gur, you want a chart, Gur?
Gur is just like what Kamal was saying. It's something
The
you
Monday
cheer if you have it. If you
about
don't
it
have it,
before.
yes, Kamal.
I said I wish we knew about it before.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
about.
It's I mean, if these kind of companies, if you know that the company is really good, now you add it to watch list, and then whenever you get a good opportunity to go long, you go. But a day like this, you just say congratulations to longs, and hopefully it's gonna continue up.
We buy it on the gap fill, today's gap fill. It'll retrace the whole thing probably.
Yeah.
What about BYD, the Chinese car maker?
Boyd Gaming Corporation.
BYD is full self-driving now.
Yeah.
So they claim.
It's very good shot.
Yeah.
It broke out, and then
better looking chart than Tesla.
it is better looking chart than Tesla. So what I said just before, Tesla has a serious competition.
Yeah. Well, only from the Chinese, nobody else.
Yeah. Well, that was with DeepSeek and everything else.
Tesla has from the Chinese, maybe from Waymo.
This one is really good. You see what, since 2021 all the way to 3-year base. This is a 3-year base. You see what you look here, all this here. This is a base of 3 years.
It looks very good, really.
Yeah, and then you break out you have to respect that.
The other competition for Boyd is Huawei, I can't even say it, and also Baidu as full self-driving.
I thought Baidu was a search engine or something. No,
they also have full driving. I don't know.
Baidu is dead.
I don't know what they got exactly.
Yeah. Well, the Chinese looks like they look like reversing for some reason.
Yeah, Baba's up.
Yeah, Baba, you remember we said it's gonna go down when it reached what 120 or something like that. I'm sure it did. Yeah, here, right? We said you sell,
Breakout.
and you see 80 went all the way down to 80. Now it's gonna go back again.
No problem.
Yeah, I mean it's of course it's good. It's a good one. I think the Chinese stocks are doing great so far.
Oh, wait a second. Boyd, there's confusion. Boyd Gaming,
Yeah, that's the Boyd Gaming, the one I saw just before.
is that right?
BYD.
Oh, so it's not the Chinese car maker.
Now I don't know which one is the.
Oh, so this is the gaming
This
stuff.
is Boyd Gaming Corporation. Yes,
Ah,
that's the. It's different.
that's by Boyd Gaming. Forget Boyd the automaker.
Yeah, absolutely. What is the Boyd automaker? What is it? BND?
I don't know. Maybe it's not public even. I don't know.
No, it is. I don't remember. What was it? BYND, I think. No, it's Beyond Meat.
That's Beyond Meat.
Forget about it. I don't remember.
I don't think it's
Okay. What is that? It's called Beyond, right?
maybe Beyond is the meat. That's
No, is it Boyd?
Boyd. Yeah.
No. Boyd Group Services. I don't know which one it is.
So that was funny with Boyd Gaming and Boyd.
I can see, I don't know. I don't know which one is it.
You buy a stock by thinking you're buying another stock and you make money. That's pretty neat.
I don't know what is the symbol for that one.
Make money by mistake. That's the best way.
Yeah, but BYD is a really good one. It's
Yeah.
really a good one. Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
Oh, well, we had fun today. I think we checked out what we had to, and we'll call it a day.
Ciao.
Bye, everyone. Don't
Bye
forget
bye.
to
Bye
subscribe.
everyone. Take
Give
care,
us a
guys.
like. Tell your friends about us, and don't follow us. Don't do as we do. Don't do as we say. Don't do the opposite. Make your own trading decisions. Better off. Ciao.
Ciao, guys. Bye bye.
Bye.